Hello folks, welcome to Running the Market. Here at the end of the day, I could have done this video a lot earlier. I've realized with my change in schedule where I'm not trading the evening session, there's no real reason for me to post this video so late. I just forgot because this is the time I normally do it, so I just left it until now. But from now on, I'm looking to do these a bit earlier because my last trade is normally during the New York Open session, so around 10, 11 a.m. New York. So hopefully I can get these out a bit sooner and be done for the day much quicker. So I only took one trade today, like I mentioned yesterday, moving to a one trade per day system with this strategy at least. I will say this: I was going to take. So I decided yesterday to take NQ trades because I thought that size didn't really make a difference because I was a break-even trader. I would win some, win and lose some. But in reality, if I'm risking sometimes 100 ticks, 125 ticks, that's around $600. Say it goes all the way to my take profit and then reverses, and I just let it run to my stop loss. That will be around $1,000 in drawdown, and it would give me around 3 or 4 trades until I load the eval or funded account, even if I were to take this on a funded account. So I think it's still just way too risky to take one mini contract with my sort of trading. I would feel much better about my trades if I could take a smaller size. So I'm going to drop back to 5 micros and see how that goes for me. Because while I was in this trade, that I'll get onto in a second. While I was in there, I just felt like I should be getting out as soon as possible, just because it's not a lot of drawdown. If I let it go against me, it would have felt a lot worse to have, say, $1,500 in drawdown after this trade, and I would feel a lot more stressed about my trading. So I'm going to go back to 5 micros and work with that for now. But in terms of the trade I took, very simple in the London session, we had this fair value gap right here, right at the start of the session. We'd been pushing up. We'd formed one high right there at previous day's volume point of control, I think it is. And we had weekly VWAP above as a potential liquidity point, which is where I thought price was going. So right at the start of this session, we got this nice rejection of this fair value gap. Just took a market order right there. I put my stop here because we have this volume imbalance right there, this small volume imbalance. You can see we bumped into it afterwards and pushed out from there. So I knew that we could go into it. So say we wanted to form a double bottom, we would go into that double bottom from there and potentially go higher. So I wanted to lessen the chances of that being my stop out. This candle also had no wick, so I didn't really feel protected at this position. So I put my stop here and looked for a 1-to-1. I got out a little bit early, maybe 10 ticks early when we tapped weekly VWAP, but I'm happy with that trade. I don't mind taking it off when I was quite worried about the size that I was trading at. So fairly good trade, very simple London session for me. I think that's just a perfect trade to start off this new one trade per day strategy. Or it's not strategy, I guess. It's just me doing the same things as usual, just a bit less than usual, and trying to take better trades. Yeah, up $370 today, so fairly good day. But we'll be looking to decrease my size in the future. In terms of my funded account, my funded Apex account, still it was a good day. I made $80. I've been making $80 pretty much every day for the last 4 or 5 days, something like that. So that's going fairly well. I'm just about pushing past break even because I had that one big loss day. So I'm now pushing past break even after a few smaller days, but I'm trying to be a bit more controlled with my trading. And that's going well. I don't mind taking it slow for now. As long as I build the system, and then when I've got the system ready, I can scale up into maybe 3 or 4 accounts. I might do it in a sort of in a planned sort of way, a staggered way. So say I have 2 positive weeks, something like that, 1 or 2 positive weeks, and then I'll add another account to the strategy. Another couple of weeks, add another account, something like that. I think would be fairly good, and just prove myself step by step before I scale up. So that's what I'm looking to do with my Apex accounts. But for now, I'm just trading the one account and trying to make a small amount every day. But yeah, positive day all around. I'm fairly happy with this trade. Really simple trade. Fairly happy with my Apex trade, which I think I took a sell somewhere around here, or maybe at the lows even. I might have taken the breakout. I think I took the breakout of these lows, and was just looking for 40 ticks with 4 micros. So nothing major, just a very small trade, very easy trade, and getting out quickly in that strategy. So yeah, that's all for me today, and I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully a bit earlier. And yeah, just see how this new system goes. I'm really happy to be trading a bit less. My day's more free. I don't feel a need to trade all the time, and I'm not as tired. I would always find with by the New York session, certainly by the afternoon session, I was fairly tired, and that was affecting my decision making in those trades. So I'm really happy to just move away from that, and I don't think it will make a huge difference to my trading whatsoever. So as as long as I have the smaller size, I don't think it'll make a difference. So yeah, I think it was a good day, and I will be back tomorrow. Hope you've had a good day. Take care. Bye.